Have you ever replayed the same thought again and again in your mind? Something you said, something you didn't say, or something that hasn't even happened yet. That is called overthinking. And if you're a beginner trying to stop it, this video is for you. Today, I will share simple and proven steps to stop overthinking. No complicated psychology, no confusing advice, just practical habits you can start today. Stay till the end because the last step is the most powerful one. Overthinking is not intelligence. It's not problem solving. Overthinking is the mind trying to control the future by replaying the past. The problem is your brain does not know when to stop. And the more you think, the more anxious and mentally tired you feel. So let's break this cycle. Here is the first step. Name the thought. When your mind starts racing, do not fight it. Just say to yourself, I'm overthinking. Not I'm stressed. Not something is wrong with me. Just I'm overthinking. This small shift creates distance. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. And the moment you name it, its power becomes weaker. Now the second step. Limit your thinking time. Most beginners try to stop thinking completely. That never works. Instead, schedule your thinking. Give your mind 10 minutes a day to think freely. Write everything down. Every fear, every worry, every what if. When the time is over, tell yourself, I will think about this tomorrow. Your brain loves structure, and structure creates calm. Here is the third step. Move your body. Overthinking lives in a still body. You do not need a gym. Just walk, stretch, or take deep breaths. Even 5 minutes of movement can change your mood. When the body moves, the mind follows. Now step 4. Ask yourself one question. Is this in my control right now? If the answer is yes, take one small action. If the answer is no, let it go. Overthinking comes from trying to control things that are not in our hands. Clarity comes from action, not from more thinking. Step 5. Stop asking why. Why did this happen? Why am I like this? Why did I make this mistake? Overthinking loves why. Replace it with one question. What is the next small step I can take right now? This moves your mind from emotional pain to forward movement. Now the final step. Pause your mind. At least once a day, stop everything. No phone, no music, no intentional thinking. Just sit quietly and breathe. Mental silence is not emptiness, it is recovery. And beginners need recovery more than motivation. Remember this, you do not need to control every thought. You just need to stop believing all of them. Overthinking does not mean you're weak. It means your mind needs guidance. Start small. Be consistent. Trust the process. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple and practical mindset videos. Because a calmer mind creates a stronger life.